So about a month ago now, I built this keyboard. This was my first ever keyboard build. This is how it went. It's using the KBD Fans 5-degree aluminium case in grey with a brass plate, a BM60 PCB and silent Sakurios linear switches which are lubed and filmed. For switches I went with silent Sakurios linear switches. Now I forgot who actually manufactured these switches, but I got them off KBD Fans. They are one of the most expensive switches, but they are very premium. You can have a look at them here. Now I filmed these with the KBD Fans foam 0.2mm films and lubed it with Krytox 205 G0. Now this was my first time actually lubing a switch, so it's a little bit, let's just say it's a little bit uneven. It's not the best, but it has settled now. It is nice and even after using it for about a month, and it sounds very nice. And I could not find keycaps anywhere that I actually liked really nicely, so I ended up looking on Amazon, which I never thought I'd do, to be completely honest, but I found these ones and they're amazing. They're thick PVT and they work very well. Now stock, these switches come very, very pingy, and they're not the best springs, but if you do give them a nice lubing job, they sound amazing. Here's a little sound test. Of course, it wouldn't be a keyboard video without a sound test, so here you go.